You know what, go-getters? I saw this entrepreneur in Lagos who turned a $5,000 investment into a $2 million business in just 18 months. How? By spotting a gap in the market everyone else overlooked. Today, I am going to be showing you 5 such gaps that are about to blow up. Ready? Let's dive in. Now, the first business model that is going to blow up this 2025 is what I will call smart work boots. Yes, the office revolution. Now, if you don't know what I am talking about, this has to do with offices, right, that you make available for the general public. Now, the thing is, these are mini boots fully equipped with a desk, chair, and everything, pens, papers, whatever, you name it, everything an office needs. Now, people will come and rent these booths for their meetings or even as a working space, all right? For those who don't have offices, they could rent that and work and go for the next person to come and do the same. So it's basically a rental business concept. Now, picture this. It's 2025, right? And across major African cities, you spot sleek air-conditioned pots in shopping malls. Have you seen that before? Yes, some shopping malls do have that already. You can also spot them in train stations and business districts. They are quite gaining grounds now. So these are smart work booths that could just serve to some people as your office away from office, right? So let's say you had to meet up with maybe some partners or so, or you had to meet up with a client or whatever, and maybe your office is so far from the ideal place you would want to, or maybe you were somewhere far away from your office and you don't have the time to go back to the office. You can just take that person to the nearest mall or the nearest business district where you find these booths, and you have a proper meeting or whatever you wanted to do. So if you're interested in actually investing in these smart office booths, here are the people you should be targeting: young professionals, remote workers, small business owners, corporate employees, and even students, right? Yeah, some students could have maybe their expose or whatever they want to practice and maybe prepare for the presentation they've got tomorrow in school, and they will need such a space, right? Now, here's why this business is golden. Africa's remote work sector is growing 300% faster than global average, and also it has got a low initial investment. We are talking of $15,000 to $25,000 per booth, which is quite reasonable. Now, this business has a potential return on investment of 200% within the first year. Last but not the least, this business has multiple revenue streams. You've got hourly rentals, monthly subscriptions, and corporate packages. So either ways, you are making money. Recently, I saw this pilot program runner in Nairobi who's already seeing 85% occupancy rate with this business in Nairobi. But here's what's really interesting. Their biggest clients aren't who you would expect. They are actually tourists who are coming to Kenya, right? Tourists do rent these booths a lot. They've got business meetings, all right, that they've got to maybe meet up with their partners or one or two things, and they are the highest occupants of these work booths. That leads us to our second business that has to do with connecting people, all right, of the same sphere. And I am referring here to a digital nomad community platform. Yes, this is the connection revolution in 2025. Now, this isn't just another social network, all right? We are talking about a specialized platform connecting digital nomads with local resources, accommodations, and communities across Africa. Now, talking about the market potential of this business, Africa is set to have 15 million digital nomads globally this 2025. And don't forget that Africa's tourism sector is valued at $400 billion already. And to crown it all, we've got growing tech infrastructure across the continent. Now, do you want to know the secret sauce to this business? Partnerships. Yes, create local partnerships with accommodations. Also create cultural experience packages for your audience, all right? And also co-working space networks. And last but not the least, try to create visa and relocation services. And here's the twist, the real money isn't even in the subscriptions, okay? But well, we'll go to that later. Let's quickly go to our next point here, which has to do with accommodation. Yeah, we are going to be talking about the mobile capsule hotels. Yes, goal getters, this is one of those once futuristic businesses that are seeing daylight in Africa already. So if you're a smart goal getter, hurry up and join the trend. Yes, we are going to be calling this the sleep innovation. Imagine bringing Japanese efficiency to African hospitality. That's what this is all about. Yes, we are talking here of portable, stackable sleeping pods that can be deployed anywhere. And by anywhere, we mean anywhere, all right? Imagine wherever you want, be it from business districts to music festivals, concerts, or whatever. These mobile capsules are the order of the day now, and people are loving them. Now, here's the target demographics for this business. You've got festival goers, business travelers, budget tourists, and emergency accommodation needs. And for the numbers, startup cost $100,000 to $150,000 for about 20 pots, right? This isn't a cheap business. We all agree on that. Average daily rate $30 to $50 per pot. Now you are going to be getting a potential monthly revenue of about $18,000 to $30,000. And for your return on investment, it's going to take about 8 to 12 months. But here's what a lot of people don't know. The real opportunity isn't just in the big cities, all right? It is actually in those almost rural areas, that is the outskirts of towns. You see these places like resorts or whatever. Those are places most suitable for this, and where a lot of people would love to go and tour, maybe hike and picnic or whatsoever, and they would love to lodge there. For those who love to discover the wild and everything, it's equally suitable for them, all right? A lot of tourists will love this because it gives them that feeling of being in a hotel room without necessarily being in a hotel, if you get what I mean. Next on our list, we've got the biometric smart lock and security systems. Yes, Africa's security system is undergoing a massive transformation. And by combining AI with biometric technology, we are looking at a revolution in how businesses and homes stay secure. Now, for a quick market analysis, the security industry is growing at 15% annually. And 70% of businesses are planning security updates already. Everyone wants to feel secure, whether in their businesses or in their homes, right? So the opportunity here is endless. We've got a huge untapped residential market. A lot of people in their own residential homes do really want these security systems, all right? So this is a sector that you are definitely going to be making a lot of money if you dive into it. Last but not the least, with this business, you've got government contract opportunities. Yes, the government equally needs it for their offices, right? Now, that said, I want to talk about a hidden opportunity that nobody is talking about. And you know what's crazy? It is worth millions. I am referring to the industrial cleaning robots. Yes, this is now very much available for all right? This is one business model that you can make a lot of money with. Remember on the channel, I told you of the traditional cleaning system and everything, the cleaning business. If you've been here for some time, I am going to look for the video and pin it so that you can watch as well, right? We all know how cleaning businesses became very, very popular in 2024. But this 2025, you are that smart goal-getter that I know you are. You could actually extend to go to robots. For if you've got robots, you are going to be using less humans, and you know what I mean. Less humans and less time as well. Imagine being capable of cleaning maybe 5 offices per day, which is something that maybe before, while you were using humans, you could have cleaned maybe just 2 or 3, right? So imagine cleaning 4, 5 and more because of a robot. Yeah, the automation wave is something that every smart entrepreneur nowadays should embrace, okay? This isn't just about cleaning. It's about bringing Industry 4.0 to Africa's massive industrial sector. Now, let's talk about the market segments for this business, all right? You are going to be targeting manufacturing facilities, shopping malls, hospitals, office complexes, and even educational institutions. All right, you now see the amount of people that could be served more efficiently and faster with these robots. Now, with this business, you are going to be needing trading and support services, right? And you are also going to be securing service contracts and maintenance. Now, to start up this business, you will need about $20,000 to $300,000. Yes, we are talking of robots and it's not cheap, right? So you have a monthly revenue potential of about $40,000 to $60,000, which isn't bad, because this is something that once you invest in your initial capital that are your robots, and you will be spending maybe just a little bit on your maintenance and training and everything, and you will be cashing out, because you don't really need humans as much as you would do in the traditional cleaning services where you have to hire people to do the cleaning for you, right? So apart from spending on maintenance and everything, you basically have little to no salaries to pay. Last week, I visited a factory using these robots here in Yaoundé. And what I saw changed everything I thought about this business. At the beginning, I was somehow skeptical, alright? But with the knowledge of the fact that they actually got access to training and support services online, that totally blew my mind. And that's the advantage we have in this era, because everything is basically online, all right? Here's the biggest one of all: integration. The real fortune lies in creating an ecosystem. I can't emphasize this enough on this channel, all right? Creating an ecosystem where these 5 businesses work together. Yes. Imagine smart workboats with biometric access, for instance, and they are cleaned by your robots. Do you get the point? Now, they are all listed on your nomad platform and with capsule hotels nearby. You will fly, all right? You are going to be tapping all of that for yourself. But here's my final piece of advice, and it's probably the most important thing I would share today. The winner in this space won't be the one with the most money or with the most technology. It will be the one who understands that Africa's market needs solutions that are both innovative and culturally relevant. So if you're ready to be part of Africa's business revolution, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel in order to not miss out on all these videos we bring forth on here. And you might as well join our investment club in order to achieve greater things in Africa, because a lot of you have asked for it and it is here already. Remember, in business, timing is everything. And right now, the timing is perfect. So don't let 2025 pass you by, all right? That said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one.